Superalloy applications. Superalloys are alloy materials with excellent high-temperature strength, heat resistance, and corrosion resistance, widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, chemical processing, and energy. We simplified guide that on specific superalloy grades and applications in various fields. 1. Inconel series, Inconel 600, suitable for high-temperature furnace components such as furnace tubes, grids, and radiant tubes. Inconel 625, widely used in marine environments, petrochemical plants, and offshore applications, including pipelines, valves, and pumps. Inconel 718, primarily used in aerospace applications, such as aircraft engine components, turbine blades, and combustion chambers. 2. Hastelloy series, Hastelloy C276, renowned for its resistance to strong acids, alkalis, and high-temperature corrosion, widely applied in chemical processing equipment, petrochemical plants, and burners. Hastelloy X, mainly used in aerospace applications, including aircraft engine combustion chambers and burners, with excellent heat resistance and oxidation resistance. 3. Nimonic series, Nimonic 75, highly suitable for high-temperature environments, commonly used in aerospace applications for turbine blades, combustion chambers, and nozzles. Nimonic 80A, widely applied in aerospace and petrochemical industries for aircraft engine parts and combustion chambers, offering excellent high-temperature strength and corrosion resistance. Conclusion: superalloys, with their remarkable properties, provide versatile solutions for demanding applications in high-temperature, high-pressure, and corrosive environments. From aerospace components to petrochemical plants and chemical processing equipment, these superalloys play a vital role in meeting the diverse requirements of various industries. We simplified guide aims to enhance understanding and appreciation of the wide-ranging applications of superalloys. Please visit us for more.